I have my packages from Lone Star, and I'm going to be unboxing them. So, this first one is I think it's the Lariat, and a shirt and a patch. Yep. Oh, feels very good. 174 Founders plastic. Next up, shipping trash. Patch. Oh yeah. And
the
shirt. Shirt. Oh yeah. And next is a bunch of disc and stuff. Let's see what we've got here. It's like Christmas. Oh, we're gonna get it eventually. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna cut this side because I'm so... First up, we have, this is probably the tumbler, if I had to guess. It's a nice blue tumbler. Let's see what we got. Oh, dude. This is Bravo 172 BB6. Oh, that's nice. Next is a nice blue Bravo 175 Guadalupe. That feels really good. Kind of pinkish. 151 Lima Warbird. Dude, that's so light. A super sick looking 174 Lisa Fakis Tumbleweed. Oh yeah, a nice yellow, kind of reminds me of the Minions. 175 Alpha Nimitz. Next, pink Bravo 172 Mockingbird. Ooh, red Puddle Top V2 171 Copperhead. That feels nice. That feels real nice. Nice, kind of limeish 172 V2 Copperhead. And next, it's brown. It looks like poop. 172 V1 Penny Putter. Ooh. Kind of reddish pink 171 Penny Putter. Oh, that's nice. And that's all. Shout out to my sponsors, Lone Star and Goodline Disc Golf. You can use code SBrown10 at Goodline for 10% off.